Wow. The skies over North America turned surreal as a total solar eclipse plunged everything into darkness, with the moon aligning perfectly with the sun, revealing a brilliant halo and creating one of nature's most spectacular spectacles.
야바요, 야바요.
그래 뭐大丈夫ですかや。
야, 그거 뭐 야바요.
These images of a tornado in Barnsdall, Oklahoma, USA, could be the start of a doomsday news story. A huge wave crashed into the shores of Marina Beach, South Africa, invading the building and ruining the vacation of those unaware of the unforgiving power of the ocean, and this wave left it.
The ground is shaking. Fuck! 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 Come on, my jacket.
Thank God they are okay.
À này bốn đơn chứ.
This captivating shot showcases a rare and awe-inspiring cloud formation that stretches dramatically across the sky. Like a house in Oxford, collapsing in a torrent of floodwaters. Instead, there was a shattered ghost, a miracle that left even the bravest of souls in awe. This effect occurs when light is refracted through fog. Leave number 1 and tell me what the phenomenon is. See them. Imagine how scared the owners will be when lightning strikes through their chimneys. You will feel dizzy when you hear this sound. The wind is so strong that it can penetrate deep underground, creating the impression that nature is breathing deeply in the fresh air of the forest. One can see that the water level has been affected by the flooding, and even the iron bridge is struggling to withstand such a fierce flow. The bridge seems like it's about to give way. I feel like it could collapse at any moment. Run! Hurry! The whole mountain is about to collapse.
Oh my God!
The landslide in Shadol, New Batan, Davao de Oro reminds us to always respect and be prepared for the power of nature. Now enjoy the rare beauty of a 360-degree rainbow, where sunlight refracts through countless water droplets, creating a brilliant circle usually only seen at high altitudes. Be careful when moving in the mountains. The raw power of nature exploded during a volcanic eruption in Indonesia, a land famous for its active volcanoes, as ash and smoke billowed high into the sky. Holy crap! A private plane fell from somewhere in the sky right behind her. Have you captured this beautiful moment yet? It would be a mistake not to be able to witness such a wonderful and crazy scene. What was the reason why they were so curious and couldn't leave their phones? I think the impending storm could extinguish this molten lava flow. Otherwise, everything will evaporate. Wow, winter thunderstorms are much more epic than summer thunderstorms. We have only seconds to decide.
पार हो गई तो गए इधर का पूरा मामला 20 किलोमीटर ले जाएगी इधर अरे भाई मत
Oh my goodness. No one could have known where this fire truly originated until I realized that it was sparked by the fluff of a cottonwood tree. The world's greatest explorers are here to show us their humor as they attempt to climb the iceberg, only for it to flip the situation upside down, letting them know that nothing can be conquered easily. What would happen if the forest began to breathe? We advise you to move farther away if you don't want unfortunate things to happen to you. The amusement park is becoming outdated because truly, nothing can rival the games nature offers. These adventurous young boys must have undoubtedly experienced thrilling and exciting adventures. Be smart about choosing a well-equipped tent, especially one that's wind-resistant for your family camping trip, because otherwise, you never know what might happen. Is that just a sign from the gods? They're really being quite bothersome. Oh, the roofs are gone, taking a lifetime of memories with them. Always stay indoors when the weather turns unpredictable to ensure safety. Can you imagine what it would be like to see that scene up close? Comment and share your views.
Được có xuống dưới kia là băng rồi đúng không?
Vâng,
Máy nó không đổ xuống kia là băng rồi đấy.
mai nó không lật.
This morning, the 13th of February, 2025, a serious landslide occurred on Nubra Road. It's terrible when a roadside tree falls on your favorite car, crushing it inside and out. I wonder why this fish can aim so precisely every millimeter. I feel so bad for that guy. You're lucky if you just go slowly. Otherwise, perhaps your favorite car will be attacked at any time by nature. Oh wow, look at this guy. He's so professional and dedicated to his job. Don't play with fire and run away before they show you how to hunt. Nothing too surprising, just a gleaming, oversized ball zooming down California Street. Perhaps the wind grew weary and decided to stage its own street soccer match. Or perhaps a python leisurely slithering across the road, exploring and curious about everything around it.